my pillow, got it from IKEA. It's so hard and uncomfortable, I almost lost my memory. I wake up one day, my neck is so sore, my arm is numb. I really need to see Dr. Wen. The lady says I need a deep tissue massage. She is very intense and vigorous. She steps on me and elbows me. I have tears in my eyes. Excuse me, I'm not your ex, I say. She smiles and looks at me. Same, but different. I turn on my phone, find palm tie. I remember the girl sitting at the front used to come to the park. I walk in with my sore neck. I see my neighbor David walking out with a smile. It must be a happy ending. The lady says I need a deep tissue massage. She is very intense and vigorous. She steps on me and elbows me. I have tears in my eyes. Excuse me, I'm not your ex, I say. She smiles and looks at me. Same, but different. Dr. Wen used to live in Japan. He knows how to fix my pain, but he has moved to somewhere else. I come home with more pain, remembering my friend Dr. Payne. He used to work on my nuts and ask me, is it painful? She says I need a deep tissue massage. She is very intense and vigorous. She steps on me and elbows me. I have tears in my eyes. Excuse me, I'm not your ex, I say. She smiles and looks at me. Same, but different. I wonder how much David paid, because we all live in Balaclava. Yes, we all live in Balaclava.